Welcome to Best Choice. The best 3-gallon tank is probably one of the most captivating ways to bring a slice of the underwater world into your home. These compact aquariums are perfect for beginners and experienced fish keepers alike, offering a manageable size for those with limited space. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 3-gallon tanks, exploring their features, benefits, and what you need to know to create a thriving aquatic environment. Number 5. Marineland Contour 3-gallon aquarium kit. This aquarium features rounded corners and a clear glass canopy. This design allows for easy viewing from multiple angles, enhancing the overall aesthetic. It includes bright white LEDs to simulate sunlight. Also, it has blue LEDs that create a calming moonlit glow. The advanced, 3-stage filtration system is cleverly concealed. This design choice helps to maintain a clean look, allowing you to fully enjoy the aquarium's beauty. The hinged LED rail light and sliding glass canopy make maintenance simple. You can easily access the inside for feeding and cleaning. The Marineland Contour 3 aquarium measures 9.63 inches long, 9.63 inches wide, and 14 inches high. It's a compact size, perfect for any space. What we like. This tank's rounded corners and clear glass canopy provide a stunning view from any angle. The LED lighting offers both daylight and moonlight settings, creating a beautiful ambience. If you're looking for a stylish and easy-to-view aquarium, this one is a great choice. What people say. The viewing is crystal clear, the lights are super bright, or calming, if using the nighttime setting, and filtration is essentially silent. The filters are way cheaper, $5 for a 3-pack versus $13 for one biorb filter, and the tank does not get dirty as quickly. It's been a month and the tank is still crystal clear, versus my biorb which would be filled with algae by week 3. I find that all you need to clean this tank is a turkey baster to suck up the droppings. Number 4. Koller Products 3-gallon 360 aquarium. Owning an aquarium can be a fun and rewarding experience. It provides wellness benefits such as stress relief, better sleep, and improved productivity. This aquarium features energy-efficient LED lighting with 7 color selections. You can choose from daylight white, blue, green, amber, aqua, purple, or red to brightly illuminate the fish. The powerful internal power filter cleans and purifies the water. It removes fish waste and debris effectively. The filter uses Koller Products XS replacement filter cartridges, available on Amazon. The aquarium is made of impact-resistant plastic. It provides crystal clear clarity, so good that most think it is made of glass. It also provides leak-proof assurance. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, this aquarium is easy to set up and maintain. It's ideal for a variety of tropical fish, making it a great choice for anyone. What we like. This aquarium offers a spectrum of colors with its LED lighting, allowing you to customize the look of your tank. It also includes a powerful filter to keep the water clean. If you are a beginner or want a fun, colorful aquarium, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Came with the basics such as an easy-to-set-up filter and a cover which provides multiple lighting scenes. Easy to clean, lightweight and no leaks. The aquarium itself is great. It's the perfect size for small fish or aquatic plants, and it looks stylish in any room. The build quality is solid, and the glass, plastic, is clear, offering a beautiful view of the water and inhabitants. Number 3. LAQUAL 3-gallon ultra clear glass fish tank. This LAQUAL rimless fish tank is made of low iron glass, offering an ultra clear and high transmittance view. It has a lower refractive index, providing a higher light transmission rate. You can enjoy the most realistic and beautiful scenery with it. The glass is 5 mm thick, ensuring strength and durability. The edges are hand-finished with German whacker glue, making it smooth to the touch. Your aquatic pets will love their new cozy home. The tank comes with a fish net and a water-changing siphon. The siphon makes water changes easy, and the fine mesh net is safe for transferring fish and removing extra food. The LAQUAL aquarium set includes a 3-gallon fish tank, a fish net, and a siphon. It's a simple and convenient starter kit, and a perfect gift for anyone interested in fish keeping. LAQUAL offers a 90-day return policy and a 1-year quality service. If any parts are missing or damaged, contact us, and we'll send replacements or exchange the product within 2 business days, plus a 10% return. What we like. The ultra-clear glass offers the most realistic view of your aquatic world. The tank is made of strong and durable materials. If you appreciate a clear view and want a complete kit, this aquarium is perfect for you. What people say. The seams look great, without any squeezed-out silicone. The panels are aligned quite accurately too. Clarity of the glass is excellent. We get compliments on how clear it is whenever we have people over. Keeping a clean tank helps too, lol. Number 2. Koller 3-gallon aquarium starter kit. This aquarium features a powerful internal filter. It cleans and purifies the water, removing waste and debris. The filter operates quietly, ensuring a healthy environment for your fish. Enjoy the vibrant LED lighting with 4 adjustable modes. You can choose from daylight white, warm white, blue, and blue white. It creates the perfect ambience for your fish in your space. Designed for silent performance, this aquarium won't disrupt your peace. It's ideal for both home and office use. You can enjoy the beauty of your fish without any distracting noise. The aquarium is made from durable, impact-resistant plastic. It offers crystal-like clarity for an elegant display. It's perfect for showcasing your betta fish and other tropical species. This compact and stylish desktop aquarium is easy to install and maintain. It's an affordable choice for beginners and experienced fish enthusiasts. Setting it up is a breeze. What we like. This aquarium features adjustable LED lighting to create the perfect environment for your fish. The filtration system keeps the water clean, and it operates quietly. If you want a peaceful and customizable aquarium, you should consider it. What people say. Love the light system switches colors as a timer. Pump seems good. Filter works great, seems very roomy for my betta and snail. Number 1. LAQUAL 3 gallons Rimless Glass Aquarium Starter Kit. This LAQUAL rimless fish tank is made of low iron glass, offering ultra-clear views. The high light transmission rate ensures the real scene inside the tank is vivid and clear. The 5 mm thick glass is strong and durable. The aquarium light features 3 modes, best vision, night, and plant. Each mode has 5 brightness levels and 3 timer settings. The waterproof design ensures it's safe for your aquatic environment. The kit includes an efficient hang-on back filter with a unique surface skimmer. This removes scum from both the water and its surface, while the small waterfall adds oxygen. You can adjust the flow rate if you have a betta fish. The LAQUAL Aquarium Starter Kit includes a 3-gallon ultra-clear fish tank, a filter with a surface skimmer, and an LED light. Everything is ready to go, so you can start your fish-keeping journey right away. LAQUAL offers a 90-day return policy and a 1-year quality service. If any parts are missing or damaged, contact us immediately. We will send replacement parts or exchange the product within 2 business days, and you'll also get a 10% return. What we like. The ultra-clear glass ensures a stunning view of your fish. The 3-mode LED light allows you to customize the lighting. It also comes with a surface skimmer to keep the water clean. If you are looking for a complete kit with a focus on water clarity, this is a great choice. What people say. This aquarium is an excellent design, which maximizes the viewing area with its unique dimensions. The filter system is easy to assemble, and is remarkably quiet. The LED lighting system was another pleasant surprise, with many options, and is incredibly bright. The tank is very cute and perfect size for where I planned to put it. It is clear as glass can be, but downside was it was narrow for putting things in the tank. The filter that came with it is a really good size for this tank. After tinkering and saw that it came from the skimmer, I just raised the water level a lot higher, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches to rim. It is super quiet. I can't even tell that it's on. The tank is perfect for her. Not loud, nice flow, that is adjustable, very good looking. The light is really easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.